Hi Year 11, I thought I would try something different and see if I do some short videos on some key topics, then it might help you revise or help you learn, especially with those people who are visual learners. So we'll start off with business ownership. We're just going to look at sole traders. It's a bit of a practice video for me too to see how it works. So first thing with a sole trader is we need to know definition and examples. So a sole trader is a business that is owned and run by one person. Last year, a few students made the mistake of just saying that it's run by one person, and they missed easy marks. So please make sure that you're putting that as run and owned by one person. I was playing about and obviously used AI to generate some of these images, so that's why they're a bit funny, but it gives you clear examples. So a carpenter, there, we've got a barber, and we've got an owner of a greengrocer, a shop. Remember, there's only one person in each image because it is owned and run by one person. This does not mean that they cannot employ other people, okay? So they can employ other people, but they're the owners. They're the people who make all the decisions, which leads on to the advantages. With the advantages of being a sole trader, the obvious one is, this guy sitting here over the moon by himself is because he gets to make all the decisions, he gets to keep all the profits. Happy days. The other image is that it's actually relatively cheap to set up, which is a huge advantage, especially for startup businesses. I'm saying here, I've only listed 2 advantages. There are others in your knowledge organizer, but at this point, when it comes to revising, if we have the definition, an example, and 2 advantages, 2 disadvantages of each type of ownership, then that will see us through. I have used this image for disadvantages. Can't pay, will take it away, that famous Channel 5 program, because that symbolises really what unlimited liability is. Unlimited liability is a huge disadvantage of being a sole trader. It means that your personal possessions are at risk. If your business goes into debt, you are liable. So it's a huge risk and a huge disadvantage. The other ones here is this guy sleeping, tired, wrecked, because the workload's so much. You're doing it all and it's exhausting. You have to make all those decisions and, you're in charge of finance, marketing, whatever else, okay? So it's really important. Please, when you're in the exam, think about these images to help you. Okay, I'm going to put up an exam question here. So state what is meant by a sole trader. Lovely 1-mark question. And I want you to pause the video. I want you to answer the question, make sure that you know it, test yourself, and then you can check your answer. I've created a simple worksheet that you all have, which I want you to be completing as you go through all of the types of ownership videos, and it'll be a good revision tool for you. Okay, so that worksheet that I gave you with the advantages, disadvantages, and features of all the ownerships, please complete. So I'm going to put the question up now. Answer up now, sorry. Okay, so you can see a sole trader is a business that is owned and run by one person. Okay, guys, I'll make my next video. Thank you. Any feedback, welcome.